game. So, what's up guys? XJan Gaming here. So, let's see this game. Portland Trailblazers versus Oklahoma City Thunder. So, let's predict this game. So, game info, Blazers 28 wins, 35 loss, number 12 on the West. While the Thunder have 51 wins, 11 loss, number 1 on the West. So, when? Friday, March 7, 2025 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 9 a.m. March 8, 2025 in Manila, where Paycom Center in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. So, let's go to the spread. Blazers plus 1.5, Thunder minus 1.5, over and under 226. So health and availability, injuries, Dreande Ayton out, Matisse Tibul out, Delano Banton day-to-day, Jeremy Grant questionable, Denji Avdiha questionable, Robert Williams III out. So for the Thunder, Nicola Topic out, AJ Mitchell out, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander out, Chet Holmgren questionable, Isaiah Hartenstein out, Kayson Wallace out, Jalen Williams out, Lucas Dort out. So Oklahoma City Thunder got a fifth straight win in their last game. The Thunder have won 8 and lost 2 of their previous 10 contests. 5 wins and 5 losses in the past 10 games for the Portland Trail Blazers. So that's the facts, that's the injuries, that's the game info. So, what's our pick? So, our pick will be Blazers plus 1.5. Why Blazers plus 1.5? So, as we can see the injuries. So, ayan, yung Thunder talagang pinagpapahinga na nila yung mga stars nila. So, malapit na yung playoffs. Pakiramdam ko preparation para sa playoffs na to. So, hindi na sila mamimersa masyado. Hindi na sila masyadong pipiliting manalo dito kasi number 1 na naman sila kahit anong mangyari. So, tapos nakita natin yung Blazers, gumaganda yung performance nila. May habol pa sila. Actually, may habol pa sila sa top 10. So, sa play-in. So, talagang pipilitin ng Blazers na manalo. While the Thunder, petics na sila, pasok na sila, hindi na nga nila palalaroin yung mga stars nila. So, for me, Blazers plus 1.5. Parehas nasa momentum din yung Blazers for me. So, ayan, again, Blazers plus 1.5. Kung nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating videos, mga pinagagawa natin dito, please like and share this video. Please follow the channel para updated kayo lagi pag may bagong upload tayo, guys. Thank you, guys. So, yung bebet, so bet in moderation. Unahin yung mga bills. So, bills muna bago bomba. Thank you, guys, and good luck.